The local bakery is prepping for Mardi Gras celebrations by getting ready to serve the very traditional king cake.
That's right. 23 ABC's Daniela Garrido is live right in the middle of it. Not actually in the middle of the cake, but she has more on this baked good. Daniela?
That's right, Mike and Dan. I'm over here at Smith's Bakery, and all morning we've been showing you how that traditional Mardi Gras king cake is made. Now, a little bit about that Mardi Gras king cake. I'm going to give you a little look over here. You can see these are some of the finished traditional king cakes, and the way king cake works is you may notice there's something a little different in the middle, and that's that there is a baby. So the way it works is whoever gets that baby in their slice is supposed to host next year's celebration. Now, king cake season does end on Fat Tuesday, which is today, and I'm here with the owner, Jim, of Smith's Bakery. Tell me a little bit about how this idea to start making and selling king cakes right here in Bakersfield came to.
Basically, it's people, I guess, that had been to New Orleans and seen it, where it's a very popular item, and it came originally from France, and I think people originally came into us and said, well, can you make one? And we said, sure, we can do that, and it just has grown since then. So now we make them every Mardi Gras.
So the baby is the traditional part of the king cake, but what are some other ways that you can get king cake ordered here?
Well, you can order just with the baby, which comes with it, and add your own decorations, or we do have the beads and the masks and the coins that they throw off the floats on Mardi Gras parade. We can add that to it if they would like that.
Great. And one of the other things that actually comes inside these king cake packages, if you order them, is of course the history of the Mardi Gras king cake. So if you are an avid Mardi Gras celebrator, you want to figure out who's going to host next year's celebration, you're going to want to get a king cake. So for now, I'm live over here at Smith's Bakery. Daniela Garrido, 23 ABC News.